Like you guys see before in my bed every day I got some cats hanging around because I have 7 cats at home. So like you imagine, I have to change my bed sheet and clean my bed very often. When I I saw this mattress vacuum in Amazon, I just see one of my cats. I just thinking I want to give it a try. So this is about the review. I will try. This is still new, so I will unboxing. Okay, let's see. This vacuum has a pretty long cable. I'm happy about this. So if your bed like California King or something, it doesn't matter. It will reach. It's nice. Nice feature. Nice feature. The user manual is pretty straightforward. This is the dust container, and what we need, just plug the machine and do the job. Okay, we'll try. I plug. And make sure there are 2 wheels in here. It's press. The user manual says that. And so this is, oh. You push the This is lock, this is unlock. So unlock. I don't know. Yeah, you can see this. See, this is a lot of debris from my bed. So this vacuum actually works. I'm happy about that because I really need this. And in some review, I read the UV light doesn't on, but this is on. The UV light works, so it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice feature. Okay, so this is my review about this mattress vacuum. I like it, and yes, I recommend it, especially if you have pets like dog or cats always hanging around in your bed. So thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.